Welcome. Manufacturing enameled flat wire without blisters is difficult. This video is a short presentation of how blister can be detected in a production line, how criteria can be set to meet requirements from the customers. Mostly it is impossible to produce enameled wire without facing blisters from time to time. By knowing the height, the length, and the distance between blisters on a spool, the data gives the best background for determine if the quality meets the requirements from the end user of the wire. The sensors of being used in the BMS system is based on dynamic measuring principle using highest possible precision. The compact unit testing both sides and supports a big dimension range up to 8 by 20 mm. The system support line speed from 2 to 40 meter per minute. A blister which is less than a human hair in thickness can easily be detected. The sensors measuring instant any deviation in thickness down to 30 micrometer. The measured signal is being handled by the processor module. A threshold is set by the user, and in case the size of the blister exceed the threshold, the blister is being counted, and promptly the PC screen is updated. A pulse on one of the outputs on the processor module is being activated. Finally, the measured shape data of the blister is being stored in the SQL database. Displaying the lines can be arranged different on the screen, depending on the number of operating lines. One PC can handle up to 99 production lines. The setting of the line is made as intuitive as possible. The software can handle different criteria of the size, the length, and the number of blisters. The software also operates with a so-called evaluation window, which makes it possible to set limits of acceptable distance between blisters. The examples show a typical setting, where minor blisters in smaller numbers, in this case for blisters within the evaluation window, can be accepted, but just a single blister above 60 micrometer cannot be accepted. Blisters which is shorter than a certain length can be determined to be ignored as well. The measured number of blisters, the height, and the measured length of detected blisters are all shown on the PC screen. The location of the blister is shown on the x-axis. In case of too many critical errors is detected, the background turns red to make it easy for the operator from distance to follow the quality of enameling process. The processor module has an output which provide a prompt signal each time an error is detected. This signal can be used as input for a PLC, or for printing a mark direct on the wire, for indicating where on the spool a critical error has been detected. The BMS offers integration of the high-voltage continuity tester in the same platform and PC program. Suitable threshold is set in the same way as threshold for the blister. Number of pinholes and cracks being detected is visible on the same PC screen and data stored in the same SQL database file. DSE provides a mounting bracket, includes guiding rollers for stabilizing the wire during the sensor unit. The blister sensor units can be mounted in any angle, from horizontal to vertical position. Thank you for watching. Please visit our web page if you need further information. Here you also find contact information to our local representative.